Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to jump into hosting and I'm going to show you how to purchase a domain. It's quick, it's easy, and it's awesome. So let's jump in. Over here, I'm in hostinger.com, and this is that page where you go ahead and check which plan is going to work for you. Now you can go ahead and run through all of the features, and you can choose what is going to work for you. Alright, so now we've chosen a plan, okay, and you can now go ahead and once you've chosen your plan, you're going to have to tap on add to cart. So let's just say we're going to choose this one over here, and you're going to go ahead and you are going to fill in the details for your payment. All right. You will also have to select whether you want a single month to month. This does come up with a setup fee of $4.99, but if you want to save some bucks, you can go for a 12, 24, or 48 month, which makes the monthly service plan $3.99. Okay. On these month to months, you do not get any additional services, but if you're signing up for 12, 24, and 48, you get a free domain for the first year, and that is awesome. Thereafter, you will have to purchase any additional domains. So now we're in, okay, and I'm going to go ahead and log in with my details. So once we've logged in, we'll find this homepage. We're going to go to the top of the page. We've got our menu, and we're going to hit domains. Now, once we hit domains, you can go ahead and tap on get a new domain. Now, this process is very simple. There's two ways you can do it. On Hostinger, you can go and tap on find new domain up here, right? And then you can also tap on generate domain using AI. So basically what you're going to do, if you want to look for your own domain, all you have to do is look for a domain here. So let's say domain boss, and you're going to now also choose your appropriate extension. All right, go ahead and do some research on the different extensions and what they can offer. So as you can see, the only domain that is available here is the XYZ domain. You can go ahead and tap on buy now, and you will then again have to put in your details when you are making that purchase, your payment details. So, and you're going to then also go down to the AI generated alternatives. You can see over here that they've given you some alternatives. Okay, you can also see some additional options, and here you can see all of the other extensions, all of the alternative extensions. All you have to do is go ahead, tap on buy domain, enter in all of your payment details, and you've got yourself a domain. Now once you do, you can jump into websites at the top over here, and you can tap on add new, and you will now create a website, and within that website you will have the option to connect your domain, just as you see over here on the left. There's a connect domain button, and you can connect your domain to your website. If this was a helpful guide, go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace.